the market will come here and then take us a sell. So it's obviously, if we thought this point here, okay, let me put it like that. If we thought this point was going to make the market to reverse, we could be entering sells here when we got the confirmation. But as much as you see on H4, we don't even have one confirmation. So you're not going to enter without confirmation. But here we had a confirmation of closing with the sells. Then you enter your bearish signal. So that's what you understand, guys. On this support, most of you here, you're going to, because the market been failing to surpass below, so you're gonna be actually like entering a lot of trades. Understand? They're gonna kick you out. You know why? Because they will be looking for this demand here, So actually, like, I'm doing correction of pure price action. Understand? Because you guys feel like pure price action doesn't work. Pure price action definitely worked for me, and it will definitely work for you. And you need to keep on pushing using what we use. Understand? So at the end of the day, you can see the market is playing around here, right? And it's 26 past 4. What I want you to understand is that around 5 the market won't be moving, the indices won't be moving. So what is it that you can do for yourself? You need to analyze something. You need to use the gap strategy for now. So you're gonna do something like this. You're gonna actually like give it a, I think there's a point of support where the market has stopped. Yeah, I think there's a point of support here. Yeah, there's a support here, but it's in a lower time frame. Remember, we come from a higher time frame, so there's a support here. So at 55, guys, if the market is still like this, you just have to execute your buy, knowing that the market, when it opens, is going to gap up, you milk. But at the end of the day, you see this position needs to take the market down there to the demand. Understand? So that's how it is. So guys, at the end of the day, right, I just want you guys to understand a smaller thing. You understand? You know why I like demand and supply, and why I like support and resistance? It's because of one thing. Support and resistance guides me. Supply and demand give me a position whereby I know when I start moving, I move. You understand? So this is how it is. This is the whole pure price action format. Understand? If you don't understand those, guys, you're gonna be having a problem in the market. You need to understand supply. You need to understand supply, support, sell, demand. Understand? So the difference between the two, it's not a bigger issue. You understand? The difference between the two, it's not a bigger issue. So guys, I can't save this live. You know why? Because remember, I analyzed first. So the market, I was disturbed by a call. But at the end of the day, guys, for gap strategy here, when the market closes, enter gap, then you close your trade. You're 8, you're cool, you're fine. So it's fine. You got that. But remember, your sales were supposed to be here. You understand? And when you entered your sell here, you're supposed to hold until here. So forget about support. Yes, it will always be a supporting market. But at the end of the day, this one we're going to break. And it's a... No, let me not say that word. But at the end of the day, you can see that the market gave us a bigger momentum going to the top. It will always come back to correct this bigger movement. So you need to understand that at this certain point on your supply, you're supposed to take your sells. Then once you're in your sells, then you know that you're coming here. When you are here, then you're safe. So we can now, no, not now. Now you're going to blow your account. They're going to manipulate you blind. So you're going to buy when it left with 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Then you leave it. It will close. Then you're fine. So let's check gold for you. Let's check gold from a daily time frame because it's gold. That's nice, guys. Trading with me, you're going to win every day this side. So this is what I've been having here. That's nice. Okay. So I tend to understand that here I'm having my... Okay, let me remove everything. Let me restart this again, and then I'm gonna analyze the current market, which is here, and then we analyzing the current one, right? And then which is here. Guys, when you trade with me, you're gonna understand most of the things. Trust me. People who started with me know that. So you understand. Here we have our support. So this support and resistance. You understand? So where is my supply? My supply, it's here. Demand. My demand, it's here. This is the point that I know if I touch again, I'm going to be getting buys. You know what? If I go further more to the smaller time frame, let me go to smaller time frame and show you some quick. If you see at this certain point, this is the way the market started giving me more momentum pushing to the top. So I'm gonna reduce it like this because I know some accounts can never survive holding until to that position. So that is why I'm always need for everyone to understand building an account. You understand? You need to understand if you enter entry here, you will make it. You will make proper cash. But at the end of the day, guys, this is pure price action with my confirmation again. So let me go back to daily time frame. This is gold for you. So remember 2 touches, guys. I create a trend. So I'm gonna create a trend with 2 touches here. I'm having a beautiful downtrend. Yeah, this one is beautiful, and then I'm gonna clone it. Not everyone can analyze, but not everyone can trade. Yo, that's the problem. That's an issue one. It's a bigger problem. We all can analyze, but not all of us can trade. So we need to trade, all of us. Not knowing how to analyze, but you don't know how to execute a trade. So let's see what's happening here. There's a simple market, easy. So let me check from here, guys. I have what I call major key, and then when I check, it's like this. Then cloning this chart. Check how nice is this chart. Beautiful chart. I feel like I can cry, guys. This chart is beautiful, but people, they don't understand it. So I wanna take something from here. Yeah, I want this. I want this one. This one is probably gonna it's something that's going to guide me to understand where exactly is the market going. Understand? So if you can check the knowledge, guys, it's here. Understand? It's here. You understand? It's here. Like, yo, bro, like, yo, I have proper knowledge. They know. Most of these mentors know that I have most of the knowledge. Check now, I'm using another strategy. Understand? So it's like this. So you get what I'm saying. So at the end of the day, this only guiding me to push to the top. If I break this trend, that's where I know I'm gonna be. This point here, it's a point of my retest, the point that I'm gonna be taking buys, because this is my demand. You understand? But at the end of the day, guys, show you what's gonna happen here. Don't worry, guys. I will give you good things, so you guys don't need to worry. So I'll give you your, what is here? I think here it's a support. Yeah, it's a proper support. Yeah, I'll give you a support here. So as much as we here, keep on taking those buying opportunities. Understand? This is a beautiful chart. We know if we break here, we change of direction. But at the end of the day, if we keep on here, we're pushing to the top. Simple. This is simple. You don't need to confuse the market. Yo, I don't know how to put this in a good explanation, because as I know you guys gonna still confuse this thing, because this thing is simple. So check this one. It's us, right? It's working to guide us. But at the end of the day, this is what we have. If we break this one, we're coming here to the demand. This is the point whereby we started taking buys. We're gonna be pushing to the top. But as much as this one will guide us to push to the top, so we know as much as we're not passing this support, then we take our buys. We keep on taking our buys. Understand? So most of the traders, check what will they do here. The perfect traders, people who know how to trade. That one, remember, it's there to guide me. You understand? So if it's there to guide me, I can remove it because it's already in my mind. So most of the traders will do something we called correction and in impulse movement. They'll be like doing this like this. Understand? So they know that, okay, as much as the market is moving, let me get something beautiful here. Yeah. So they know that as much as the market is moving here, and then stating here, start consolidating here. They know that the market will come here, go here. But at the end of the day, guys, it has to move here and then move to the top. You understand? If it comes here, trust me, it will come here and then go here, then drop. The reason being is that at this certain point here, we have a trend here. Understand? The trend that I drawn here, it's there. Don't forget this trend. So the market shouldn't broke this position, shouldn't break this position. Understand? The market shouldn't break this position. Why don't you delete the downtrend and keep? No, I can't keep what's not broken. Understand? At the end of the day, this one is bigger than this, and this one is still being corrected because it's from the key. Yo, guys, it's a problem. You're still gonna learn. You understand? So this one, guys, if the market breaks here, that's when I'm gonna consider this one, and then I'm gonna remove this one. But let's say the market now there. You need to, you need to improvise. This thing is hard if you don't improvise. Understand? What if the market breaks here? What if the market breaks here? This is gold, guys. This is gold. What if the market breaks here? What are you gonna say for that? Understand? So trends work in two different ways. They can be here for you supported. They can be broken if they are too weak. But remember, we're from the major key. We don't even have the third touch at the top side. So it's possible for us to break here, but at the end of the day, which one are we respecting? We're respecting this one. So this one is here to guide us for the buying opportunities. Guys, like when you trade the market, no, if you are at the support, respect the support according to. Don't think if once you start saying it will break, well, it haven't broken, it won't break. And once you lose, you'll say support, it's not, because you have that fucking mindset of creating your own market. But if you trade these things accordingly. You understand? You trade these things accordingly. Remember, we're still respecting this proper trend. Beautiful trend. And I can say it's a beautiful one. We don't know if the market will get affected. Buy and then start selling. You understand? So you need to do what? Keep on looking for buying opportunities at this certain point. You understand? Because once we break here, you need to enter here or you need to enter here. But the market can never come back here, because if it comes back here, we are actually like looking for selling opportunities. That's when we're gonna say, now stop looking for buying opportunities, because we have a trend. We broke the trend that keeps us going up. We broke it. Understand? So that's how it is. That's simple as that, guys. There's the trend here. So you guys wanna start going along with the trend that haven't, like, this trend haven't been broken. It's still a bullish trend. Understand? It's an upper trend. So upper trend can be touched. It can be 1, 2, 3, then pushes to the top. Break this one to the top side. So that's how we trade the market. Don't confuse the two. Don't confuse the two, because once you start confusing the two, you're gonna lose a lot. Understand? Let's go to H1 and check what's going on here. You see, dog. You see, the market is still on a bullish momentum. So we can't force. We cannot, unless if the market breaks here. Understand? Still on the bullish momentum. We respect that. But like I told you guys here, that's when you can take proper buys that you can hold for most of the days if the market comes back here. You see, that's a small bearish flag. It can be compared with the bigger one. So I guess the person who asked that question understands. Let's check here. What do we have here? Okay, this is our USDT. At the end of the day, guys, the market passed this position, but we gave ourselves here, but not knowing that it will come, and it's somewhere here. So, but at the end of the day, guys, what is that position we at? This is our support. Understand? This is our support. We're lacking retest here. So the market can always come back here to retest. Always. But at the end of the day, the market will close, guys. Please respect the support. Enter buys here at 450. When it closes with the gap, then you 8. You're beautiful. You're fine. You relax. So this is how it is. This is what we have for you all. Understand? This is what we have. Here it's a retest, guys. Retest. Yo, it's a retest. So you're gonna enter the trade 10 minutes before. I was gonna enter with you guys, I was gonna enter with you. You see here, if the market keeps on playing here, guys, and then at 50, look, it's a gap strategy. Understand? You're gonna enter 10 minutes before, and then you relax. I don't even know what is the imbalance. I don't trade SMC, I trade pure price action. That's the key part. So guys, now, so those are the things that I wanted to show you. Let's check what's happening here. Beautiful. You know what? I like German 30 because sometimes it respects. Check how beautiful correction we had pushing to the top side. Beautiful, beautiful. It always guides us to know that what's gonna happen here. So we already know that, man, you're playing. This one is playing. He has to do what you call buying, pushing to the top. From here, guys, I feel like you should enter when it's 9 minutes left. You understand? Let me check if I can't find my account, and then I'm gonna open those trades, and then we're gonna share them around 12 and see if we milked. Let's go to 30 minutes for more confirmation. Yeah, still fine. A gap is gap. So let me quickly do that. The market won't be moving around 5, so it's obvious, guys, that gap strategy will end.